If I were to make $1 each time that someone asks me, Amarachi Favy, what are the body care products that you use on your skin that gives you this radiant glow? And also, how do you use these body care products to achieve the best results? I would have been a millionaire in dollars, not just in naira. Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl Amarachi Favy, and if today is the very first day you're seeing this beautiful face on your screen, you are welcome to my channel. My name is Amarachi Favy, and here we do all things related to skincare, feminine hygiene, girls tips. But in today's video, I'm going to walk you down all the body care products that I use, and I'm going to tell you all the secrets and the tips that you need to know, because maybe you're using the same products that I am also using, but you're not achieving the same results because maybe you're using them wrongly. I'm going to be telling you my body care products, and also I'm going to be telling you the tips that makes these products to work for me and give me the best of the best results. So if this kind of video is the kind of video that you're interested to watch, sit back and also subscribe before we get into the video. So the very first thing I want you to know is that personally I do what is called pre-cleansing, which is the first shower or the first bath that you're going to be having in your bathroom before you start layering other body care products. Okay, so for the pre-cleansing would help to get rid of dirt on your skin and also prep your skin so that the skin will be ready to accept other products. Okay, I use a lot of brightening products in my body care routine. That is the reason why my skin is always popping. So before I would start using my brightening products proper, I would go in with a pre-cleansing bar soap. And for pre-cleansing bar soap, I use this one from Dove. I use Dove bar soap. Dove bar soaps are very moisturizing to your skin, and they would give you that pamper that you deserve. It smells absolutely amazing, and this particular one is in Dove Pampering, which smells like vanilla, like you're going to be smelling nice. Okay, so it's a good body bar soap for you to use if you have the money, okay, because it's actually on the expensive route. And if you are on a budget, you can also use this one, because I also use it. This one is from Cushion. This is Cushion baby bar soap. Okay, I don't know if it's already open, but I've not used it. So this particular one also helps to cleanse your body. For your pre-cleansing soap, you don't need to do too much. You need just a mild soap that will just go into your body and cleanse it. The main purpose of pre-cleansing is for you to have a clean skin, and for pre-cleansing I use these two, any of these two, or also use the one from Dettol, just that I've run out of the product. Okay, I no longer have any Dettol product, but if you have Dettol bar soap, it is actually very good, because Dettol bar soap is an antibacterial bar soap that will even help to also get rid of bacteria on the surface of your skin. Okay, so once I'm done with my pre-cleansing bar soap, I pre-cleanse morning and night. The next thing I do is to go in with my shower cream or my shower gel. Okay, for my morning routine, these are the two shower creams or shower gels that I use. This one is from Zen Garden. This is Zen Garden Deep Moisturizing Shower Cream that contains carrot. Okay, it is non-drying. It has the pH of 5.5, which is amazing, and it comes in this very large container. I've dropped a detailed review on this product. Okay, and it is very good. It is moisturizing. It will help to wake up my skin properly. Okay, and on the days that I don't use this particular one, I go in with my Fruisia. Although I have run out of Fruisia, but I go in with my Fruisia. This is Fruisia Deep Moisturizing Shower Cream that contains turmeric, carrot, and papaya. It also has UV, which will protect your skin from the harmful UV rays. Okay, so once I'm done with my pre-cleansing, these are the two shower creams or shower gels or body washes that I go in with, either this or this. So you can either get any of these two for you to use in your morning body care routine. So when it comes to my night shower, okay, I normally use this one from Cosmo. This one is Cosmo Glow White Skin Perfector. This shower gel lightens my skin. It makes my skin to pop, and it smells amazing. Or I will go in with Olay Vitamin C body wash, and this one smells even more amazing. I normally use this on the nights that I want to like pamper my skin, I want to have that subtle finish. I want my skin to look very, very soft, feel very, very soft, and also smell very, very nice. If you use Olay, you would attest what I'm trying to say. It has a creamy texture and it smells so nice on your skin. Even your bathroom will be smelling very, very nice. Okay, this one contains vitamin C. Here's the reason why I use it at night. And this one contains whitening properties, okay, like glutathione and the rest. This is the reason why I use this both, okay, at night. Okay, I would either use this or I would use this any night I'm feeling. It depends on my mood. Okay, my shower routines depends on my mood. If I'm feeling like I want to just, you know, just go in mildly, I would use this. But if I feel like I want my skin to smell so nice, like I want, if I sniff my body, I'll be sniffing amazing scent, I will just go in with my Olay. And this too brightens the skin so well, so well. Like you're going to be having that radiant glow that you have been dreaming of if you use any of these two. Okay, when it comes to bar soaps, okay, I also use bar soap, and for bar soaps I use a particular one from Ashanti. This is called Ashanti Papaya and Honey Bar Soap. Okay, and this bar soap is amazing. It is brightening. It contains papaya, it contains honey, it contains Q10, it contains AHA and BHA, which will actually help to exfoliate your skin and get rid of dead skin cell and give you a smooth finish. This particular bar soap, I've used it over a year now, and I can tell you that it is amazing. Okay, it's actually very, very affordable. You can get a bar for 1,700 naira, but if you are like me that want to purchase in bulk, you can get a full pack like this for 8,000 to 9,000 naira, depending on your location. This particular bar soap is an OG for me in my body care routine, and it's something that I normally do whenever I feel like my skin is getting dull, okay, and I want that pop on the surface of my skin. This particular bar soap helps to brighten my skin so well, because it goes deep. Okay, it goes deep into my skin pores, exfoliates it, and then give me that brightening that I really deserve. But one thing about this bar soap that I don't like is that it oxidizes easily, like it melts so easily. So you're going to be cutting it if you get it. Okay, you're going to cut it into 3. As you can see, I've already cut out one portion. The next time I'm going to cut it, I'm going to cut it into half and then use the other part. But aside from that, this bar soap is so good. I am not going to regret getting it. So if you're on a budget, you cannot get the shower gels that I mentioned, you cannot get the body washes that I mentioned, you can go ahead and get this bar soap, and I tell you that you are going to be popping. If you're using Ashanti, you would know what I am saying. Like you can be able to relate to what I am trying to explain in this video. It is affordable and it works. Okay, so if you don't have money, like I said, you can go for this. So when it comes to my exfoliating body scrub, you know that if you have a dead skin cell living on the surface of your skin is not going to pop because you have dead skin cells. So you're supposed to exfoliate to get rid of dead skin cell so that new skin will evolve. And for exfoliating scrubs, I use a particular one from Dr. Mania. You guys already know this is Dr. Mania Alpha Arbutin. Okay, this one is Alpha Arbutin sugar scrub that has AHA and BHA. This particular one helps to exfoliate my skin so well. Okay, I exfoliate twice in a week. Okay, I exfoliate twice weekly, and it does an amazing job. It is affordable, and the Alpha Arbutin actually helps to get rid of hyperpigmentation, dark spots, uneven skin tone, get rid of dead skin cell, okay, and give you a fresh, renewed skin. This is a steal, and this is a must-have in your routine. Do not use this on your face, please. Remember that I'm talking about my body care routine. I only use this on my body because it is actually harsh when used on your face, but it is not harsh when used on the body. Okay, I can't talk about body care routines and I will not show you the materials that I use in achieving all this glow that you are seeing on the screen. I think that African nail sponge is actually underrated. This is African nail sponge. Look at the one I have. It is very long. It can help to scrub my back so well and also my body. African nail sponge is actually very exfoliating, and they do not leave dirt on the sponge. I prefer them when it comes to sponge than the loafers, because loafers actually harbor dirt and bacteria. If you use African nail sponge, you would be able to attest what I'm trying to say. This is stretchy, this would work. I use this to have my morning and my night shower, okay? Then on the days I'm going to exfoliate my skin, I would go in with an exfoliating glove. And for exfoliating gloves, this is what I use. This is what I mean, okay? I use this when I'm using my body scrub, okay? The days I'm going to exfoliate my skin is the only day I'm going to use an exfoliating glove, or the night that I feel like maybe the places I went to during the day, I sweated a lot and my skin is very dirty and I need that thorough wash, I can also go ahead and use this. But for my everyday wash, I use this, and this works. Throw away those loafers, those soft sponge. They will not do much for you. They will not go in and get rid of dirt so that your skin will pop for you. They will not do that job. But an African nail sponge and an exfoliating glove will do this work that I'm talking about for you. So these are the materials that I use when it comes to my body care routine. So when it comes to my body lotion, okay, I use these two body lotions. This one is from Dove and this one is from Face Fact, okay. I use this when it comes to my morning body care routine, okay. This is Dove Invigorating Care, okay, that contains avocado and sunflower, and also pure 100% natural oil that would help to moisturize my skin and lock in all the moisture and give me that extra glow that I need. When it comes to my body care routine in the morning, I don't like to do too much or use any brightening products in the morning, because I might be stepping out and it will not react to the sun and then give me a bad result. When it comes to your morning body care routine, I would recommend that you use more of moisturizing products that will just go ahead and moisturize your skin. A moisturized skin is a skin that will glow. If your skin is not moisturized, there's no how your skin will glow. If you're having a dry skin, a skin that is flaky, ashy, and very, very dry, there is no how your skin will pop. Like, I can argue it with you, okay? So when it comes to my night body care routine, I use this particular one from Face Fact. This is Face Fact Vitamin C Body Lotion, okay? The particular one is amazing. Quantity and the product itself is amazing, and it goes deep and moisturize my skin. Although it does not actually lock in moisture better than the Dove, okay, but actually it helps to brighten my skin because it has vitamin C. It actually helps to brighten, tone, and revive skin. When I mean this particular product is good, it is very, very good, okay? I'm not kidding. It is very, very good. And still, for people that are on a budget, if you're looking for that body lotion that will brighten your skin, but remember to use it only at night because it contains vitamin C. After my body lotions, I normally go in with body oils because I want to seal in the ingredients and the moisture that comes from my body lotions using a good body oil. And for my morning body care routine, I use this body oil from PS. This is PS baby oil. You can either use this or the one from Johnson or the one from Cushion, because some people used to say that PS used to get them dark. I don't know why, but me, it does not get me dark, and it moisturizes my skin so well, and it is also very cheap. It's sold for 2,000 naira, and this body oil does that magic. Once I'm done applying my body lotion from Dove, the next thing I go in with is this body oil from PS. And when it comes to my night body care routine, I use particular body oil from Desire. You guys would already know that by now. I keep talking about Desire body oils because it is very, very good and also very cheap. This one contains vitamin C that would help to brighten your skin. I think this is the real OG when it comes to my body care routine. I don't miss this and the Ashanti Papaya Honey Soap, okay? This too in my routine is a game changer. And having this oil is a magic in a cute little bottle. It would help to moisturize your skin and also brighten your skin. So if I'm suffering from dull skin, a skin that is uneven, a skin that is suffering from hyperpigmentation, and your skin can never pop, I bet you when you add this to your body care routine, you will be glowy. You will be more glowy than I am. Your skin will be radiant, your skin will pop, your skin will eat 10/10 minus nothing and leave no crumbs, okay? Some nights I just feel like I don't have to do too much. Maybe those days I'm feeling like my skin is actually not having enough moisture, my skin is feeling dry. I would go in with my body butter, my whipped body butter. I made the particular body butter myself. I will drop the link in the comment section and pin it there on how you can make this yourself. And this body butter smells amazing and it looks so good, and you can actually watch the video to see how you can make yours. This body butter, okay, is from shea butter. Just I whipped it up and I added essential oils and other good things that my skin loves. So on the nights that maybe I'm feeling like I need to lock in moisture, my skin is dry, I need all the oil and moisture that my skin deserves, I will just go in and just use my body butter. This actually locks in moisture and also helps to brighten my skin, okay? But I don't use this often. I use it once in a while. The only time that I will use it like back to back would be during Harmattan season or during cold weather that everywhere is very cold and my skin feels dry as well. But aside from that, I don't use this every day. I don't use it every night, and I don't use it in the morning. I only use it at night. Get yourself a body butter and you would see that your skin will pop. So the last but not the least when it comes to my body care routine will have to be my hand care, because most times we tend to care about our body and our face and then we forget our hands. Then our hands will not be looking dry. And remember in that video that I made when it comes to how to get rid of your dark knuckles, I said that if your hand is not moisturized, you are going to have dark knuckles. In fact, if your skin is not moisturized as a whole, your skin will not pop, okay? And most times we tend to apply all these things on our body, forget to apply them on our hands. That is the reason why I will advise you to get a hand cream that you can throw into your handbag and get to reapply it anywhere, anytime, any day, okay? And for hand creams, I use some from Saudwa. This is from my store actually, and this particular one is very, very amazing. It contains lemon fruit, okay, and it smells literally like lemon. It has a lot of scent attached to it. They have a lot of different scents when it comes to hand creams. You must not get the one that has lemon. You can get any one that is good. It will actually help to moisturize your skin. I want to show you how this hand cream looks. Look at it. It is very thick, okay? Very, very thick, and it will give your skin, or rather your hand, that moisture that your hand deserves. Like, it makes your hand look very, very fresh and young, okay? So if you're the type that normally forgets to moisturize your hand, I would recommend that you get yourself a hand cream so that your hand will not be looking older than other parts of your body. Look at my hands, looking moisturized. And when I'm done with the hand cream, the next thing I go in with will have to be a Vaseline. And this Vaseline is from Blue Seal. It's also in the market and very, very affordable, okay? What I do is just go ahead and apply just small, okay? And then use it to moisturize my hand again. This Vaseline will help to seal the ingredient and the moisture that comes from the hand cream and then give me that shine when it comes to my hand, okay? I'm going to show you what it looks like in a jiffy. Look at my hand. Look at how my hand have transformed from looking dull, looking dry, to looking shiny and looking radiant and young, okay? So do not neglect your hands when you are doing your body care routine. And there you have it, my loves. These are the body care products that I use, and these are the ways that I use it to achieve this skin that you are seeing on your screen, okay? So if you want me to do a detailed video on what I use on my face, leave a comment in the comment section, okay? I will definitely do that if you guys want me to, okay? And if you have watched a particular point of the video and you are yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, share it, and turn on the notification bell so that I'll be the very first person to get notified once I drop a new video. And also remember to leave a comment in the comment section telling me any of the body care products that you use, okay? Let me know if we're twinning. And until next time, my loves, stay glowy and bye.